Sekunjalo madoda. Tomorrow ziyakhala. Zizakhala straight. FNB Stadium. 3 o'clock. Mamelodi Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs, or Kaizer Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundowns, however you want to put it. So, before the game starts, let's talk about a serious problem in the ring. It's repetitively happening. Repetitively. Hey, English. So, marketing this company, Stadium Management SA. I know these people need to improve their services because every time the stadium we have a problem. Especially to Orofitlo Stadium category A games, it's always a problem. To travel 30 minutes roughly, you'll end up traveling 3 hours from Jozi to FNB Stadium. Should take you like 20 minutes, but because of traffic and poor management on the road, you'll end up traveling 3 hours just to get to the stadium. Not because you are late. You can leave Jozi CBD, Johannesburg CBD at 12 to find yourself in the stadium at 4 because of on a parking was struggling to get a parking. Most of the time we always park like very far. Gold Reef City. Around Gold Reef City. You walk from Gold Reef City to FNB Stadium, 5 kilometers. Yes. You get there tired, sweating. And especially people are making noise. So you think, right, there's a goal. Maybe game it for me. Ofitla is just a skill. And then you start running when you go fit like a pair or one or skip on. So this game is always a problem. Always a problem. It's hard to fit like a now. And let's say for that day you leave home maybe at 10 a.m. That's where you can get to the stadium on time and watch the game with peace. But some of us who are waking until 1, now you leave work at 1, and then to the stadium, with like a 4, with like half time. First half, forget. Unless if that day, you're not working and so you're going to enjoy the game. But then what can we do going forward? Because there'll always be those people who are working and they're trying to watch the game as well. The traffic cops, the JMPD, they'll just sit there and block the road. And then they don't give you solution. And then you have to find a way, make a U-turn, try to find another road. The time that Nagoya and then the game is delayed. Then the people will be playing in supporters or supporters don't come early because stadium, hey, what. Can't you know? Is the planning or it's always not planned. For example, game MTN 8 Paris and Super Sport Orlando. That game, the traffic was bad. When we get to the stadium, there's so many people outside. But take it differently. Because some people are going to buy ticket for stadium, of which they were wrong. But yeah, it depends. People decide last minute to get stadium. After now we have tickets. Now it's just mob justice. People are pushing each other. And then we end up going in without scanning the tickets because now people are just pushing the marshals or what's saying. So things like that, I know they need to be managed better, especially more traffic. And then the parkings, most stadium is a problem. I can see we provided a bus so that people can just go to the stadium, get the bus, and we park more shopping center around Joburg, and then we go to the stadium bus, or maybe we go to park more Park Central or Park Station, and then the bus reaches from Park Station reaches stadium to avoid these things because to get to the stadium category A game is a problem. So tomorrow, good luck to those who are going to the stadium. I want to go, but thinking about the hassle of Lagos Stadium, I know. Anyway, the game was gonna be nice. Go was okay. Was a color tomorrow because no, that game is one-sided. If we're being honest, those guys, Sundowns, look very, very dangerous. Reyners, Rivero, and Matthews. Hey. I fear for Chiefs. I fear for Mikey. Hey, Mikey, I fear for you. Yeah. But then anyway, we'll enjoy from home, and then the tickets are almost sold out, of which is a good thing. So, stadium management SA, please, man, improve your service. I can say look at the run, but try to find a way. Try to find a way to avoid this thing or game get delayed, because I can tell you tomorrow's game will be delayed probably by 30 minutes, because I know tomorrow traffic will be crazy. Plus, month end, yes, some people will go there without tickets, hoping to get tickets, which will cause even more chaos. But anyway, good luck, Marcos. Good luck, Mazandawana. Let's enjoy the game.